welcome back to Good Clean Fun. My name is Lindsay and I'm so happy that you came to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick Grove haul. Now this is not sponsored. I'm new, so they don't even know anything about me. But however, I love their products. So today I'm going to show you what I got for my spring collection to help me get my house in spring clean shape. So if that's something you would like to watch, then keep on watching. So I haven't even gone through this box yet, but when you place an order through Grove Collaborative, on their website, they have where you can purchase a membership. So each month you will get a box full of cleaning supplies and household items that you might need, and you have the option to choose them each month, or they can choose them for you and send you new stuff. However, if you are a new member, you will get a special deal. You will get quite a bit of stuff for free. So go ahead and check out their website for more information. Now let's get into the haul. Alright, first of all, I got the Method Daily Clean for wood. I love the way this smells. This is a really good product to get to dust with, and I pretty much use it on wood when I clean daily. It leaves the wood really clean and polishes it, and it doesn't mess up the wood. Also, when you order from Grove, they package everything with their stickers, and so it doesn't leak. And next I've gotten the Peony scent. This is the Mrs. Meyer's. This is the multi-surface everyday cleaner right here. And this is one of their spring scents, and I cannot wait to smell this. Next, okay, this is new. This is the Mrs. Meyer's room freshener, and this is also in the Peony scent. Next is the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap in Peony. Then I've got the dish soap in Peony. Alright, next we've got the 7th generation Powerful Clean dishwasher tablets, dishwasher detergent packs, and there is 45 packs in here, and this is the dishwashing tablets. Next, I've gotten some essential oils. I've gotten the fragrance Orange by Grove Collaborative. And also, I've gotten the grapefruit revitalizing one from the Aura Cacia, C-A-C-I-A. Not sure how you say that. You can see that. I can smell the orange already. It really smells good. Alright, next I got the Bubble Up Grove soap dispenser and dish brush set. And this is from the spring collection. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Let me show you. It has a really cute floral design around it, and it's got a little brush right here, and it's got a little strainer inside that you can put water and soap in, and whenever you need to clean, you just push it in there like that and you can clean your dishes. Here's what it looks like. That is really cute, and it's definitely breakable, but so be careful of that. And next, I got the caddy. This is from Grove. This is their cleaning caddy, and this is what it looks like. Make sure that's it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's Grove Collaborative Spring Haul. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please make sure you hit that red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you can be reminded each time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye guys.